Activity 6, Investigating Linear Relations. This is a part of Unit 3, the Linear Relations Unit. Calculating the finite differences. Finite differences show the change in the dependent variable or the second column in a table of values. For example, to find the finite first differences in the table of values below, you subtract consecutive values for the dependent variable to show the changes in that variable. This is a methodical way of talking about that pattern that we examined in the last. It's important. To find a pattern in the finite differences, the values in the first column of your table must change by a constant amount. Let's see how to do this. Calculating the first differences. First difference is the difference between the values of the dependent variable y if the independent variable x is increased by 1. To do this, we take our table of values with our first differences column. We take the second value for y and subtract the first value for y. And we write that in the column beside. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And we do this for consecutive values. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, and 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. This row of first differences is now complete, and we can make a statement about them. The values in the third column are called our finite differences, and because of the fact that we've increased our x value by 1, and we've done this the first time, this is the first difference column. Let's summarize our observations about that table. When the value of x increases by 1, the value of y increases by, that's right, 2. And the finite differences are a constant value of 2. We call it a constant because every first difference is a value of 2, so it's constant. Let's investigate. The table of values below represents a linear relation. Calculate the first differences for the relation and comment on your findings. Recall that we commented on our last findings as being a constant value of something or another. So make a similar statement. When you're ready, proceed to see if you have the same response that we do.